What if your video and audio were recorded separately? Often in professional video production, audio will be recorded using a separate audio recorder. While this can provide higher quality audio and more convenient microphone placement, it adds an extra step in the post-production process, synchronizing the clips. In this tutorial, we're going to use the Synchronize Clips command and review how to adjust the settings. Open Project 309, Sync Audio. This exercise has two clips. One is a video clip of an interview with Joe, and the other is an audio-only file that was recorded separately. If we play the Joe video clip, we'll hear that the audio doesn't sound very good.
I'm part of the Story District organization.
About 10 years ago, my friend told me about this cool event, Second Tuesday, Speakeasy DC.
If we listen to the solo audio file, it sounds much better.
About 10 years ago, my friend told me about this cool event, Second Tuesday, Speakeasy DC.
I could drag the audio underneath Joe and line up the waveforms manually, but that process is tedious and time-consuming. I'll put the clip back where it was. This workflow isn't performed in the timeline. It's done with the master clips in your library. I'll right-click on one of the clips and choose Reveal in Browser to reveal the master. There are several clips, but we're looking for the two in the timeline, Joe background noise and Joe sync audio, identified by an audio icon. I'll highlight both by clicking one and then command-clicking the other. Next, right-click on either clip and choose Synchronize Clips. A window pops up to let me name this new third clip that Final Cut will create. I'll simply call it Joe Synchronized Clip. I can choose the event to put it in. I'll keep it in my media event. There are a few more options. I'll select Use Audio for Synchronization, which will save me a lot of work. Final Cut will listen to the clips and align them automatically. I also want to disable audio components on AV clip. Final Cut will automatically mute the bad audio on the video clip. In more complex situations, you could use the custom settings. The most useful is synchronization. If I didn't want to sync using audio, I could sync by timecode or markers on the clip. Since audio will work in this case, I'll select Use Automatic Settings, then click OK. Final Cut will analyze the clips and then add a third clip in my media event with a unique icon identifying it as a synchronized clip. If I play the clip in my browser, it might worry you to see it starts with no audio, or you might see black. At the end of this clip, I see black. This is because the video camera and the audio recorder were not started and stopped at the same time. Don't panic if you don't hear any audio or see any video at the beginning or end of the clip. Select the range of the clip that you want and simply add it to your timeline. I'll click the Append button and Shift-Z to display the entire timeline. There is now a version of the clip in my timeline that uses the original video and the good audio.
About 10 years ago, my friend told me about this cool event, Second Tuesday, Speakeasy DC.
In this tutorial, we learn to synchronize separate video and audio using the Synchronize Clips command and how to adjust the settings. That completes this module on audio editing and mixing. In the next module, we're going to add transitions, effects, and modify transform properties.